and welcome to AI Foundations program, proudly supported by Google.org. My name is Kate and I'm the AI Program Manager at Women Go Tech and your guide into the foundations of AI. Whether you're brand new to artificial intelligence or just curious how to use it more confidently, this 4-week course is designed to make AI feel clear, practical, and empowering. No technical background required. What can you expect over the next 4 weeks? We will guide you through 4 hands-on modules. Module 1, Introduction to AI. We will learn what AI is, where it shows up in daily life, and how to use it in simple ways, like writing emails, planning meals, or organizing your day. Module 2, Large Language Models, or LLMs. In the second module, you'll explore tools like ChatGPT and Gemini and learn how to talk to AI using smart prompts. Module 3, Productivity with AI. Later, you will learn how AI can help you save time, streamline your workflow, and even help with slides, calendars, or creative projects. Module 4, Mindful AI Usage. We'll wrap up with thoughtful topics like digital well-being, privacy, and aligning AI with your values, not just what's trendy. Learn with experts. To ensure effective learning, we have blended pre-recorded lessons to guide you step by step, webinars with the experts, Q&A sessions, a heap of practical tasks to practice the knowledge you get, and a powerful community learning together. Don't forget to RSVP to any live sessions you want to attend. And no worries if you miss them. Every session will be recorded and available on the platform. Learn by doing. Every module includes practical tasks you can do at your own pace. And remember, the best way to learn AI is to try it. Don't aim for perfection, just aim for practice. Even though the tasks are optional, it is important to complete 100% of the course in order to receive your certificate. You can share your work or just your thoughts in the practical task discussion space. Like, comment, or support your peers. We're here to grow together. Make AI work for you. This course is designed to help you build your own relationship with AI. You'll look at your current routines and explore where AI can help. Maybe it's saving time, staying organized, or getting support in your job search. Even automating just one repetitive task can free up real mental space and maybe even give you extra hour in your day. At the end of the course, you will reflect on what you have learned, share your feedback, and claim your official certificate. Something to celebrate and share on your social media, perhaps. All recordings and materials will stay available here on Circle if you want to revisit anything for 2 more weeks after the end of the program. Let's make AI accessible, useful, and fun together. You've got this, and we're so excited to be part of your journey. Let's get started.